Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we are going to be applying CarPro CQuartz UK to this 2018 Hyundai Elantra. The vehicle is practically brand new. It has 899 miles on it, so this is the perfect time to get a ceramic coating on it once it's fresh and hasn't been battered by elements and everything like that. It's already been washed, chemically decontaminated, and mechanically decontaminated. So that is a fallout remover would be the chemical, and a clay mitt would be the mechanical. It was lightly polished. The paint was in really good shape. Obviously, since it's new, thankfully it didn't have any scratches or swirling induced by dealer washes. So it was polished with Menzerna Final Polish 2, which would be equivalent to what they're selling now as the 3500. On a polishing pad, the panel wipe was done with the CarPro eraser, so we're going to keep the coating all in one family. And then after you apply the coating, after 1 hour, you can go back with CarPro Reload, which is a silica spray sealant. It's going to help against any kind of water spotting in the first 24 hours. The directions do say to leave the vehicle inside anywhere between 12 and 24 hours and not exposed to water for at least 24 hours. The coating will fully cure after 24 hours. It all depends on temperature and items like that. So we have the applicator already set up. It comes with this foam applicator and then these suede towelettes here. And then I also am going to be using the microfiber suede CarPro really low nap towels to buff off. So what we're going to do is remove the cap, run one line of product down, replace the cap on the coating bottle, and then we're going to try and work in like a 2x2 area, and then you'll be able to see how far the product goes. Once the applicator gets primed and used for a couple panels, it'll probably go a little bit further. So the directions on the bottle say to apply to a section and buff until it flashes, allowed to bond 1 minute. So you're going to want to look for any kind of high spots. You're going to want to level those with the applicator, and then you're going to wait another 30 to 60 seconds after that, and then you're going to go ahead and buff any last residue off. I have read and heard that the CQuartz UK can be a little grabby, as they say. So this is my first application using this product, so we'll see. They do have the CQuartz 3.0 out now, so a little bit newer formula, supposed to be a little bit more user-friendly. So we're going to go ahead and see how well this goes on. Okay, so I have a Craftsman rolling stool next to me here, so I can put my bottle back down once I get the coating applied to the applicator. I do have my scan grip inspection light just to check for any high spots. I'm going to be trying to look over the plane of the hood just to kind of use the reflections from the overhead lights to be able to level any high spots. So you want to just very gently shake the bottle . As you can see, it has like an eyedropper dispenser there. So as you can see, the product is on the applicator pad. We're going to replace the cap, and we're going to start applying the coating. So from the angle being dead on, it's kind of difficult to see, but if I bring the camera down here, you can kind of see a little bit here. So it's probably been about 40 seconds since the initial application. You can definitely still see the product on the surface. It just looks a little bit darker than the rest of the hood. So it's been about a minute, so we're going to just try to use the microfiber suede towel to remove the area that we have applied. And that wipes off pretty easy, so I'm not sure what happened when people experience it being what they refer to as grabby, but that wipes off fairly easily, and I don't see any high spots or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and apply it to the rest of the car. We're going to wait an hour, and then we are going to do the dry method with the CarPro Reload, which is pretty much spraying the product onto a towel, wiping it and distribute it on each panel, and then using another clean, dry microfiber towel, remove any dampness or residue from the reload, and then you're pretty much set. The car is going to stay in the garage for I don't know, probably about 18 hours, and the owner is going to pick it up, and then it's going to go and get parked in a garage. So if you want, I'll be posting some after pictures on my Instagram. I will link that below in the description. If you have any questions on applying ceramic coatings, specifically CarPro CQuartz UK, I've also applied Wolfgang Uber ceramic coating and the Optimum gloss coat, all of which for a hobbyist like myself, fairly easy to apply as long as you follow the preparation steps. So if I catch any side panels where I can get a good view with the GoPro, I'll pipe in a little bit of more footage. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.